All right, now we've maximized our business page organically, and now we're looking to maximize our business page with the paid ads. The one last thing we need to do is start collecting data from all of our business's sources so that you as a freelancer, no matter where you're advertising, can get as much data into Facebook as possible. And the way that we do that is with a thing called Facebook Piksel. So what Facebook does automatically is if you post and then share to a group and a potential customer likes that post, Facebook collects that data on that customer that they interacted with you. If they then comment and reply to one of your comments, they collect that data for that potential customer for you. When you make an ad and you want to target people that are interacting with you already, potentially to convert them, make them into a client, Facebook will then look through who's been interacting with you, that potential client, and will show that ad to them. That's where the power of Facebook comes in. But you have other places where people may interact with your business. For instance, a website or a landing page. So someone who goes onto your website may have gone through YouTube. They may have clicked on a link in your YouTube description, gone to your website, and then they've clicked off. So they were interested in your business, but they didn't end up purchasing, or maybe they did end up purchasing, doesn't really matter. But either way, Facebook has not been involved with that process. It was YouTube and your website. So what Facebook has done is come up with a way around that called Facebook Piksel. And what you can do is you can put the code for this pixel in different places and collect data that way. So for instance, you can now put it on your website, and when someone goes onto your website, Facebook will collect their data just like Facebook does if they go to your business page. So how do you do that? For this, because Russian Tutor, I didn't set it up as I meant to, I get a little error message when I go into it. But what I will do is I will show you on my actual Facebook page that I use how to do this. And I'm going to blur out a lot of things on it because there's private information and that sort of thing. So what we do, you come to the Business Meta Suite, click All Tools, and then you come down to Events Manager. And you can see here, connect data from your website, app, or store to understand customer actions. And then from there, you can retarget those customers in your ads manager so that you can now run ads based on the people that went to your website. So once you do that, you will end up on a page like this. And as I said, this is my one, not the Russian Tutor. So there are a number of different selections, but the thing that we want is this pixels. And then once we're on here, we just want to click add. And that will come up with a number of different things. So we can make Russian Tutor website. So this will be for the website. Check your website for easy setup options. Put your landing page or website URL there, and then just click continue. Now you can connect it. So I would set up the pixel immediately, and you can pick which one you want to do. So add code using a partner integration. Connect your site using one of the many partners, including Squarespace, WordPress, Shopify, etc. So if you've got one of them, feel free to use that. If not, you may need to add it manually, or if you've got a web dev, you can send them the email and they can do that there. So let's just say that we decide to do it manually. You can click that, and then it comes up with the code there. Don't change anything in that code, obviously. Simply click it. You've now copied it, and you're all good to go. So then you just add that to your website and click continue, and it'll verify. If you add the code through an integration, you just got to pick which one you're using. So let's say WordPress, just because it's there. Boom, you get the WordPress plugin for Facebook, and it talks you through the exact steps there. Click your next, verify your domain, and then you're all good to go. Once you've done that, Facebook will now begin automatically collecting data on people that go to your website. I would make a new pixel for each type of asset you have. So let's say you've got a landing page, a website, and a shop. And let's say the website is from WordPress, so you make one for WordPress. And then if you've got a shop on Shopify, you make one for Shopify, so on and so forth. So I would make a different pixel for every single source where customers could go to your freelancing business, so that you've got the best, most accurate data for all the different marketing sources. And then from there, we want to retarget those people in our ads so that we get people who have been to our other sources other than Facebook, but we can also get people who are like those people on Facebook as well. And that allows you to get more and more specific and more direct with your potential clients so that you can start making money bags on your services and products. So good luck with all of that. And if you have questions, obviously ask them in the chats.